Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and practical. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances with a spotlight on what could easily be crowned the best convection oven microwave on the market, the GE 1.0 CUFT microwave oven with air fryer, broiler and convection. Now, let me tell you why this appliance is causing quite a stir. Firstly, it's a multitasking marvel. With its air fry mode, you can whip up healthier, crispier versions of your favorite foods in record time. Say goodbye to greasy indulgences, and hello to guilt-free munching. Plus, its convection mode ensures golden brown perfection every time, thanks to its even heat distribution. But wait, there's more. This microwave isn't just about frying and baking, it's a broiling powerhouse too. Whether you're craving a perfectly seared steak or caramelized veggies, the broil mode has got you covered. And with preset controls like fries and nuggets, operation is a breeze. No more guesswork, just perfectly cooked results every time. Don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about this microwave. From its compact size, perfect for any kitchen or dorm room, to its sleek stainless steel design that's not only stylish but easy to clean, it's a winner all around. So, if you're in the market for a kitchen upgrade that combines convenience, versatility, and impeccable cooking results, look no further than the GE 1.0 CUFT microwave oven with air fryer, broiler and convection. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cooking!